Traveling independently is a wonderfully valid way to travel, of course. Uh, but what Tranquwell is able to offer is the chance to be guided by people who are experts in their field because of the deep network that we have cultivated. This can include, for example, Zazen priests who can offer private Zazen meditation sessions, nature guides who are able to guide you out to experience the deep nature in the Tohoku region, for example, or to practice the tea ceremony with a seasoned tea ceremony professional. Those are the types of experiences that we can offer. Yes, because Tranquwell has a network with professionals such as Zazen meditation priests, we're able to offer, for example, an experience in Setouchi where you're guided on a gorgeous walk around the grounds of a Zen meditation retreat center. You have the opportunity to learn how to write calligraphy. You're presented with a kanji that has, or a Chinese character, that has a special significance for you based on your own personality. So these are for sure types of experiences that you would not be able to access simply as a solo traveler. It's a pretty powerful experience, actually, to be gifted this character that encapsulates who you are as a person. For me personally, I was given the character Sora, which can mean sky. It can also mean emptiness. And I was told by the priest that this indicates the ability to kind of return to a beginner's mind, to empty yourself of any preconceived notions that you might have, and just to really return to a sense of wholeness or who you are as a person, which was a pretty profound concept.